We did it! All of you that kept the solar dream alive, you helped create the GoSun Fusion, a hybrid solar and electric oven that goes anywhere and cooks delicious meals for 5 day or night. At just 14 pounds, it can be carried in just one hand. The silicone dampener provides impeccable durability for the vacuum tube oven. GoSun's breakthrough that allows solar cooking in the harshest conditions. If the sun is nowhere to be found, the cooking continues within the 3-liter stainless tray thanks to a 150-watt electric heating element. It can be powered with the world's most common port, the 12-volt cigarette plug, found in every car, boat, and RV ever made. Or GoSun's optional power bank that holds enough energy to cook a meal while off-grid. To get cooking, place the Fusion on a flat, level surface. Pull the legs out from their seated position and remove the closure straps. These reflectors will triple the sunlight absorbed, and they are locked open. The GoSun dial will ensure you're catching the most sunlight by transferring the sun's glare onto the target below. The Fusion is tilted with 2 hands pressing down on the end caps and angled by rotating on its scratch-proof feet. When the sun is gone, you can switch to cooking on electricity by simply plugging in the power cord into the cooking tray, then into the 12-volt power source and flipping it on. The 150-watt heating element pulls about 12 amps, which is 1/10 of the power of other electric ovens. The optional power bank becomes a source of energy to run the Fusion at night, and it's capable of charging a cell phone about 10 times. The power bank can be charged with a 30-watt folding solar panel in 1 day's worth of sunshine. The GoSun Thermo Temperature Gauge comes with an app that reports temperature immediately on screen and back to your phone. You can receive an alert to your phone when your food is ready at the pre-selected temperature. Finally, when you're ready to move, the Fusion plus all your accessories and ingredients fit into the padded carrying case for added protection. Before your first use, we recommend a small dab of cooking oil to be wiped across the red silicone seal to help smooth the seal with the glass vacuum tube. It helps to line the tray with parchment paper, especially if you're planning to cook with electricity. If your tray has a little trouble sliding, a simple squeeze or pinch does the job. The power cord is compatible with the GoSun Chill, a solar-powered cooler. Being highly portable, it's designed to stay connected through a lot of action. So you'll find the plug to be tight, requiring 2 hands to engage. When using the electric heater, it applies heat a little slower than when under full sunlight, and it's beneath your food, so you may want to stir the meal a few times. To clean the Fusion, we recommend glass cleaner on the outside, and once the inside has cooled down, soap and water with a mild scrubbing tool. Be sure the cooking tray is dry before storing, and it helps to hold on to the foam insert placed at the end of the tray when traveling. You might want to join over 4,000 others in the GoSun Community Kitchen group on Facebook to see what everybody is sharing, or check out recipe links on our website at gosun.co. Cooking with GoSun is somewhere between a crock pot and an oven. Food cooks in its own juices, a bit like steaming, and at a pace that is similar to an oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You don't need to preheat the Fusion, so it will take a little extra time to ramp up. Once the dish is cooking, the heat captured is held inside, so you'll be able to keep the food hot and juicy for hours. As the Chinese have known for centuries, it helps to cut food into smaller chunks to give the heat more surface area. If you're roasting meats, you may want to empty the liquid that builds up, so the meat will brown better. A meat probe thermometer like the GoSun Thermo is always advisable. Roasting a bunch of root vegetables is a good meal to start with. We use the GoSun all the time for egg dishes and baking quick breads. Again, there's 1,000 recipe ideas to be found online. We hope you'll join the fuel-free frontier. Subscribe to our channel, join our Facebook group, and let GoSun help you use more sun.